Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your speaker QCY SP7. When you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone to control, you can use controls right here. With this control you can play or pause the song or the movie, you can play next or previous track or the video. You can swap between equalizer presets, but not with all what it offers, only with default and outdoor preset. You can play next or previous track, you can enter to bring mode or enter TVS mode. Or call voice assistant. You cannot customize it, but it's a good control. Anyway, okay, next one. You can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer preset. You need to open application, go to the sound, and right here we have 3 presets by default what QCY offer for us, but you can create a custom one. Let's say right here I create bass boost preset, so you can use this one. It's up to you. Next, this speaker have dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to the speaker simultaneously, and you need to check in the application if you have it enabled. By default, it's enabled, but I recommend to check it. You need to go to the settings, and right here we have dual device connection, so check is it work. Also we have lights, and we can customize it with control or change them this mod by control or in the application. Right here we have light effect, so you can enable or disable LED light, and also right here use some presets. If you have some trouble with your speaker, you can easily perform a factory reset by pressing hold the Bluetooth button for at least 8 seconds. And then you need to reconnect the speaker with the phone. If you still don't know how to do this, you can check this video at this channel, how to perform factory reset for QCY SP7. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!